Now let's focus on my favorite part of Starfall, and more times than not, the kids' favorite as well. I clicked on kindergarten and pre-K, but the first grade and up has the same page once you click to it. We are going to go to this little mouse that says Learn to Read. When you get to this Learn to Read category, it has a variety of things all included. It has focus games, books, where they can listen first, then read. Comprehension, at the end of the book, it asks them, did you like this book? So I'm just going to take a little bit of time now to show you around. I initially allow the students to get engaged by either playing the skill movie video or playing the game. So right now we'll start by playing the game. All of these are very short and brief activities that don't take much time.
With an to match the picture. Fan. Fan.
As you can tell, it's very animated.
Ran. Can.
Something that I do like also about this activity is that if a student were to make a mistake, it does kind of a beeping sound and shoots it back so they get another opportunity to try. They can also click the picture and it'll tell them the sound. Click the letter. And we're trying to make the can. So I'm going to go can.
Can. Pan. Pan. Awesome! You know, can, fan, pan, ran.
In my classroom, my students really love when I print out this report because they feel as if that it's something to, one, they can reference, but they also feel really accomplished. After doing the 1 or 2 games, whichever we choose to do that day, we will then go into the letter sounds. So I start gradually increasing the letter sounds. So if it's middle of the year for kindergarten, I'll go through all of the vowel sounds, the short vowel sounds, and then I'll begin to add that silent E, which you can see is number 6, Jake's tail. I'll show you how I do that before we read the books, just as the warm-up.
Listen to the short A sound. Ah, 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 ah. Short A makes this kind of sound. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. Zach.
And then we don't read the book currently right now. Usually I focus on all the vowel sounds and then we go back and focus on one book for the day. Again, this is something that I use as a supplemental phonics instruction, so I don't want it to take too much time, but I do want it to be an instructional learning experience for the students. Then I just simply go through the following vowels. As you can see, each short vowel has a song.
Its very own sound. Eh, 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 eh.
And again, I let them listen to the following. You see each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are all short vowel songs. After we finish that, I'll either choose our next instruction. If it's silent E, then I'll go to the silent E vowel song.
The silent E at the end of the word, end of the word, end of the word. The silent E at the end of the word makes the A say A. A!
And then if this happens to be our instruction, I'll stay here.
Oh. Tail.
We'll read Jake's tail. We'll listen first.
This is Jake.
And then we'll read. This is Jake. Now Jake is very animated and engaging.
Jake makes waves.
Jake makes waves. We'll continue through the whole book. I want to get to the end to show you the ending.